Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Tim from Say Sarap. Today I am here at Virgils Restaurant in Erie, Pennsylvania that has arguably the best pizza in the entire city. This is the first time that we've ever filmed a video where we're meeting with the owner of the restaurant. He's going to take us back in the kitchen. He's going to tell us everything here that makes his food special and why it's different than every other pizza place in this town. So stick around, come with us, let's check it out. Hey guys, we're inside Virgils right now. I'm here with Gary Flemming. He's the owner. He's going to show us exactly what makes the pizza here special. This is why it's one of my favorite pizza places in Erie. I'm glad you guys are watching. Here we go. Gary, what can you tell me about your pizza?
Okay, Tim, glad you came in today. I think that the focus of our pizza is fresh ingredients. When we got into the pizza business, I decided we're going to go with the best that we could find. We use Stanislaus tomato products. We use Caputo 00 flour. Make everything in-house. Key to my pizza, I think the base literally is the shells. We bake our shells fresh every day in-house. Gives us the ability then, we par bake our shells. So then when you come in, we can cut them in size, any number of cuts you like, chopped any way you like.
So like most of the pizza places in town, you guys are making all your shells in-house. There's no ordering from bakery or anything else that happens.
No, I mean, we do everything in-house. I think a lot of pizzerias are assembling pizzas. You know, they're buying the parts, they're buying the sauce, what have you. The cheese shredded already, we shred ours in-house. And that's fine, but not for us. We like to do everything, keep control of everything. So we just do pizza. We do some pepperoni rolls. We don't have any fryers. We don't do anything frozen. Fresh food, real food is the focus. Okay, so Tim, what we're going to do for you now is make our chicken bacon ranch pizza. Yeah, we got a fresh shredded cheese blend we do in-house. We've got our fresh tomato sauce with our secret blend of seasonings, of course. And we're going to start off with a 6-cut here.
You said it's a 3-cheese blend. What type of cheeses do you guys use?
Well, we have a couple of provolones in there and a third cheese that'll remain unmentioned.
Ah, trade secret. Huh?
Well, you know, we got to have something, right? So. Okay, so we've got our base all set, our sauce and our cheese, and what we're going to do now is finish making our chicken bacon ranch. We roast our own chicken in-house. We get that over at Larry's Central Market. Always fresh. Roast it and season it, chop it for the top of our pizza. Put a lot on there. And then we also use some fresh bacon, actual bacon pieces, not bacon bits. Once again, we want to keep things real, fresh. So a little chicken, a little bacon, and it's ready to go into the oven. When it comes out of the oven, we're going to top it with our in-house made ranch, real sour cream. Once again, emphasis on fresh, and some fresh chopped green onions. So we're going to go ahead now and throw this in the oven. Yeah, we do pizza, and we also do our pepperoni rolls, which is our fresh dough, with at least 11 pieces of pepperoni in every one. We also do some jalapeno rolls. Those are like little meat. There we have it. It's got a good bake on it. The cheese blend we call here. I'll transfer to the tray. Should get that good crunch when you cut it. Then we're going to take our in-house made ranch, give it a nice finish. And then some fresh cut green onion. There you have it. Virgils Chicken Bacon Ranch. Cheers.
You can really taste the fresh tomatoes in your guys' sauce. And that crust is, I mean, you can tell that that's not a shell that they're buying anywhere. It's very crispy on the outside and light.
Get a little char on the bottom, ideally. Get a little roast on those.
Cheese melt's unbelievable. And one of my favorite, I'm a big ranch on pizza guy. And one of my favorite things is when ranch is actually made at the restaurant, where they use the sour cream, they use the buttermilk, they do it themselves. I mean, I can't stand that oil-based ranch that you normally get. And your guys, I mean, this is fantastic.
My wife doesn't even like ranch dressing, but she likes our ranch. So, I mean, that right there, I can tell you, that sells it.
Everything, like you were saying, and it's absolutely true, the toppings here, and, and your shells, but super fresh toppings, it just sets us above anything else that's in the area easily.
We think so. Thank you.
Oh, fantastic. I'm getting it all over me.
Come on down to Virgils and give us a try. Looking forward to see you and feeding you soon.
All right, hey guys, thanks for watching. Check out another video with Say Sarap here at Virgils in Erie, Pennsylvania. Remember, if you're ever in the area, this is the pizza to try. This stuff is absolutely incredible. We got more videos coming your way shortly. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw today, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you will get all my future videos. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.